and welcome to Air Fryer Bliss. This Typhur Dome does it all and does it better. Say goodbye to frustrating and hard to clean air fryers. I adore my double ovens, but I have to admit, on most nights, I'm not using an oven. Why warm up a whole oven for one fish fillet for myself? So that's when I use my air fryer. It really comes in handy. So here's the air fryer I was using. It had very good reviews. It is a reputable company, but I really didn't like cleaning with it. Get it out in a minute. Can you see? It has all these like ridges, and it's very hard to get the grease and grime out of it after you use it a while. And the smaller basket size meant it just wasn't as good when the grandkids were coming over and I was cooking a meal for all of us. So, not completely happy with this air fryer. This is an honest review. I'm not being paid by Typhur Dome for a promotional video. However, they did send me the product to test. And boy, did I. I mean, I've been putting it through its paces. I've air fried, I've baked, I've toasted, and even dehydrated with this. And let me tell you, I love it. Now you might notice this dome shape, and that kind of sets it apart. Some people have said it's kind of like a alien spaceship or whatever. I really like it. Because of its lower height, it will fit under most counters, which basket ones don't always do. But this dome allows it to spread heat more evenly. So whether your wings, let's say, are on the edges or in the middle, they'll still be uniformly done and browned. I mean, every dish comes out perfect every time. Not only does this Typhur Dome air fryer have double the space, the cooking space, of my basket type air fryer, it also cooks 30% faster. And it's really, really quiet. The marketing whizzes call it whisper quiet. And I really love it. It is so easy to clean. It even has a feature to make cleaning even easier by using a phone app from Typhur. You can do self-cleaning mode for an hour or longer for the 2-hour mode. I mean, that is fantastic. And yes, it even has a dehydrator mode. Ready to see it in action? Let me show you why the Typhur Dome is a game changer in my kitchen. Here's the cooking area from my 7-quart basket air fryer. Let's compare. You see how much more cooking area we have? And that can make all the difference. Because for air fryer, you want to have things placed in a single layer. If you put things on top of each other like a bunch of fries, it will not get uniformly done. So, more cooking area, better. Also, if you're concerned about Teflon and the purported health risks, Typhur Dome uses ceramic coating. So, no Teflon to worry about. Speaking of capacity, with my old basket fryer, you could only fit a 6-inch pizza. But with the Typhur Dome, I can comfortably fit a 12-inch pizza. And it's cooked to perfection. And let's talk about wattage. My basket style is 17 watts. This is 1750 watts, so a little more power. And for temperature, Typhur Dome up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. My basket one, 400 degrees Fahrenheit maximum. So I tested it with my grandkids' favorite pizza, Jack's frozen pizza, which luckily for me is very inexpensive. I think I got 3 of them for $9. Cooked it for 10 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it came out with a crispy crust just the way they liked it. It was so easy and so fast, and hardly any cleanup. Now, the Typhur Dome can cook up to 32 wings at once. I didn't need that many, but boy, did my wings come out nice and crispy and so juicy inside. It also fits a lot more bacon than my old style basket fryer. Just look at all those bacon strips cut in half. And I love how easy it is to reclaim the bacon fat, which, as you know, I always keep in my refrigerator. It's great for frying up some potatoes or your morning eggs. It has 5 different presets. We have fries, wings, steak, bacon, or frozen. And it has 5 different cooking modes. We have air fryer, roast, broil, toast, and dehydrate. I use the toasting mold to make this grilled cheese and ham sandwich for my granddaughter when she was over last weekend. She thought it was divine. The toast was nice and brown, and the cheese was melted, and the ham was heated all the way through. It was really a good sandwich. And again, how quick to make. But I love that this Typhur Dome can also dehydrate. It's great for small batches. You know, like maybe you got a little produce left over in your refrigerator drawer, or in my case, I had my first 2 hot red peppers from the garden. So I dehydrated them in the dehydrator and then cut them up and put them in my coffee grinder. And now look at this. I have my own red pepper flakes. And it was so easy. And then I decided, why not make some beef jerky in the air fryer? So I got out 2 round steaks and sliced them thinly and put them in a marinating sauce that had soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce, onion and garlic powder, a little sugar, a little salt and pepper. And then I used my chamber vac to seal it. And that way, the marinade was done in less than an hour, where otherwise I'd have to put it in my refrigerator overnight. And just look at this. It is so tasty and so good. And again, it only took 3 hours. So you're asking, but what's the downside? Well, it does take up a little bit more real estate on your counter. But like I said, it's lower, so it'll fit under your kitchen cabinets as opposed to your basket air fryer. Does weigh more. Generally, this is, I believe, 20.5 pounds. And it can't fit a whole small chicken. But when I splayed a chicken, it cooked with crispy skin and juicy meat just fine in the Typhur Dome. And yes, it does cost more. But to me, the value is worth it. You know, I like to buy the best kitchen tools that I can afford. So I have my Excalibur dehydrator, I have my All-American canner, and now I have my Typhur Dome air fryer. And if you would like one, I have a 10% purchase discount code, and here it is on the screen, and I will list it below in the comments. But this would make excellent Christmas present. And you know what? I think it should be a Christmas present for yourself. That's right, because this is something I'm going to be using every other day in my kitchen. I just love it. And it does have a 3-year warranty, which most other air fryers have 1 or 2 years only. So again, extra value. So, ready to transform your cooking? Use that purchase code down below. You won't be disappointed.